How to use 11 Labs for free. So if you want to use 11 Labs for free, then what you need to do is just go with your browser and search for 11 Labs. Once you've searched, now here you will have 11labs.io. Just go with that and open it. Once you open it up, now you just need to simply go with Get Started Free, which is here on the left side, and then you will have the free version. Or you can just go with text to speech or voice changer, dubbing, text to SFX, or voice cloning. I'll be choosing text to speech. Once you've chosen, now here you can simply enter something. For example, I'll be writing, well, now once you've written something, you just need to simply go with the bottom right and just play. Here on the bottom left, you will have the voices. You can simply choose any voice that you are comfortable with. So I'll be choosing this one. And if you play,
Hello everyone, I'm Navina.
then you'll have this kind of interface. Or you can just go with voice changer, dubbing, and everything, or you can go with tell a story, or you can also choose the accent, which is right here on the left side. For example, if you choose Chinese, then here on the bottom you will have the Chinese language or the Chinese text. Or you can just go with get started for free, which is right here on the upper right. If you click on it, then you will have the free subscriptions. You can just go and create an account at first, and you'll be able to use your 11 labs for free. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.